Hello team and family, this is Dividing Integers video number 3 over word problems. Raymond scuba dives for fun on Saturdays. For the last 5 weeks he has dove down -15 feet, -20 feet, -18, -12, and -30. What was the average depth he has dived? So I'm going to use the problem solving process. First thing I'm going to do is draw a picture. So we'll put some water. I'm going to draw Raymond. A little tank on his back. Scuba diving underneath the water. He's at these different depths each Saturday that he scuba dives. -18, -20, -15. He's at all these different depths on Saturdays when he scuba dives. So now I'm going to create a table to help me organize this data. Raymond scuba dives for fun on Saturdays. For the last 5 weeks he has dove down -15 feet, -20 feet, -18 feet, -12 feet, and -30 feet. What was the average depth he has dived? So if I create a table and I put Saturdays and I put depth, so let's say the first Saturday he dove down -15, second Saturday he dove -20, third Saturday he dove -18, fourth Saturday he dove -12, and then the fifth Saturday he dove -30. So like I said in video number 2, when you're trying to find an average, you find the sum of the data, so you add up all the numbers, and then you divide it by how many there are. So in this case, I would be adding up all the depths, the sum of the data, the sum of the depths, and I'd be dividing by 5, because that's how many days it is that he dove. So underline the question just to make sure that I'm answering it. Raymond scuba dives for fun on Saturdays. For the last 5 weeks he has dove down -15 feet, -20 feet, -18 feet, -12 feet, and -30 feet. What was the average depth he has dived? So basically we're looking for the average depth. So I'm looking for that. So now I can solve and I'll check. So to find the average, I add up -15 plus -20 plus -18 plus -12 plus -30, and I'm going to divide it by how many of those are, which are 5 numbers. So I'm going to add up all the absolute values. I'll start with 15 plus 20. 5 plus 0 is 5, 2 plus 1 is 3, 35. Then I'll add 18 plus 12, 2 plus 8 is 10, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, that's 30. I'll add 35 plus 30, 0 plus 5 is 5, 3 plus 3 is 6, and that's 65 plus 30, 5 plus 0 is 5, 6 plus 3 is 9, I got 95. So the average is equal to not positive 95, but -95 divided by 5. So I can divide 95 by 5. 5 goes into 9 one time. 5 times 1 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. Bring down the 5. 5 goes into 45 9 times. 5 times 9 is 45. 45 minus 45 is 0. So my answer is 19. But because I divided a negative by a positive, it's not positive 19, it is negative 19. Which, if I look at my table, lowest number is negative 30, my biggest number is negative 12, and negative 19 falls in between those two numbers. So negative 19 is reasonable.